Hello, today we will guide you through how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro. To begin, open Axiom and navigate to the Discover page for the Solana network. This is the starting point shown in the platform, and from here you'll be able to access your account tools and wallet options. If you're already logged in, you should see the main dashboard area load normally. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded before continuing, so all icons and controls are visible. Once you're on the Discover screen, look to the top right area of the page for the wallet icon. This is the main shortcut to access your funds and wallet-related actions. Depending on your screen size or device, the icon may appear slightly smaller or closer to the edge of the interface, so it helps to pause for a second and visually scan that top right corner carefully. When you find the wallet icon, click on it to open your wallet panel. This section is where you can review available balances and manage actions like deposits or withdrawals. If a menu or side panel appears, that's expected. Make sure it opens completely so you can clearly see the available options before moving ahead. Next, click on Withdraw. This will take you into the withdrawal flow, where Axiom allows you to send funds out from your wallet. At this stage, it's a good idea to double check that you are choosing the correct action, especially if you also see similar options like deposit or transfer. Selecting withdraw ensures you are moving money out of the platform rather than adding funds to it. After that, select the asset you want to withdraw and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the transaction. The platform will guide you through the remaining details, such as choosing the amount and confirming the withdrawal. Read each screen carefully as you go, since withdrawal steps can sometimes vary depending on the asset selected. It's also wise to review all information before final confirmation to help avoid mistakes. Once you've completed the prompts shown on screen, your withdrawal request should be submitted. From there, you may need to wait a short time for processing, depending on the network or asset involved. And that's it. You've now seen how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro, from opening the Discover page to completing the withdrawal process through the Wallet section.